This is a sound test, just a short piece, experimenting to get the right sound. So here comes crazy shit. I'm not joking. Yeah, oh, nearly dropping the camera. I tried to fade it because it goes straight into the choir of Canterbury Cathedral, which follows Crazy. It's from the rock opera Credo, so it follows Crazy, and it's a bit of a contrast between that and the choir of Canterbury Cathedral singing the famous hymn. Can't remember what it's called. God defending. No, but anyway, that was crazy shit. I suppose, you know, these groups try to find an original name, and it's original anyway. But it is, YouTube, basically a sound test.